Now to solve for decile 4, we will be using the same expression. So our class width here is 12. Our I here is 4 because we are looking for the decile 4. Our n, or the number of observation, is 40. Then we're going to find the rest of the variables. So let's find the k. Our k is I over 10. And since our I is 4, so our k here is 4 over 10. Now to solve for kn, so we'll just multiply the n and k. So our k here is 4 tenths and our n is 40. So 40 divided by 10, that is 4. Then 4 times 4, that is 16. So our kn here is 16. Next, we're going to find the class that contains kn. So since our kn is 16, so this class must have a cumulative frequency of more than or equal to kn. So which of this cumulative frequency that is more than or equal to kn, which is 16? So these are 21, 32, 39, 40. But we are looking for the smallest cumulative frequency. So therefore, we are referring to this class. This is the class that contains the kn, which is 16. So our cumulative frequency here is the cumulative frequency before the class, and that is 5. Okay, so our CF, or cumulative frequency, is 5. Then our lower boundary here is the lower boundary of the class itself, which is 73.5. And lastly, for the frequency, that is the frequency of the class, which is 16. So after completing the variables, we are now ready to use the formula. So just substitute. Our lower boundary is 73.5. Our kn is 16. Our cumulative frequency is 5. Our frequency is 16. And our class width is 12. Solve them. And our decile 4 is 81.75. Now, to solve for the 70th percentile using the same expression, so our class width here is the same, it is 12. Our I here is 70 because we are looking for the 70th percentile, the same number of observation, which is 40. Then we're going to find the rest of the variables. So our k here is I over 100. Since I is 70, so our k is 70 over 100. So to solve for kn, just multiply them. 70 over 100 times 40. So just simply, we can cancel the 0. Alright, or 7 times 4 is 28, divided by 1, that's 28. So that is our kn. So which of these classes contains the kn, which is 28? So the cumulative frequency must be more than or equal to 28. So more than, so these are 32, 39, and 40. Since you are looking for the smallest, so the class that we are trying to find here is this class that contains the kn, which is 28. Now, to get the CF, that is the cumulative frequency before the class, and that is 21. And our lower boundary here is the lower boundary of the class, and that is 85.5. And our frequency is the frequency of the class, which is 11. And we are now ready to use the formula. Just put it in. Our lower boundary is 85.5. Our kn is 28. Our cumulative frequency is 21. Our frequency is 11. Our class width is 12. Then solve. So our percentile 70 is equal to 93.40.